Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add chapters to YouTube video. So first, you have to go to your YouTube, and then this time you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now you have to scroll down and look for YouTube Studio here. And on your YouTube Studio, what you're going to do is you have to click Content on the left menu. Select the video you want to add chapters to, or click the pencil icon to edit the video details. But for example, I have only here shorts. So if you want to upload a video, just upload a video here. Now add the title, and here on this description box, you have to make sure that you have added this. So you can just basically follow what I'm going to tell you right now. First, you need to add a 0000 as introduction, and just go on with the steps right here. For example, from this to this minutes is more on like introduction to power of one decision. And then from this minute to this time, it's like, let's just say realization. You can add the title of each section or chapter. So you just have to add it right here. And you can add bonus tips and final steps below. Now, here's the thing, important rules to consider. Your first timestamp must start at 0000. Chapters must be at least 10 seconds long. Also, you need to use clear titles for each chapter as much as possible, and add at least 3 chapters for it to appear. Once you're done, then you can now save your changes, scroll up and click the save button. Refresh your video page. You will now see chapters appear in the video's progress bar. So YouTube may generate automatic chapters if enabled. While editing the video, scroll to show more, find automatic chapters, and you can check to allow YouTube to create them, or uncheck to disable auto chapters and keep your manual ones. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.